Hi, and welcome to Masterly. I am going to do a quick overview of our dashboard. Here, you'll see the actual welcoming page of your dashboard. On this small on the right side here, you'll see a live stream. This is going to give you kind of a quick view of everything that's being done on your account by your different representatives. Here, you'll have a quick area to be able to get to your tasks. If we've assigned you anything or need anything from you, you'll be able to see it and log in. You can quickly hit view task. Within here, you can always upload any type of deliverables, anything that we're asking you for. You'll be able to do that right here under task files. You can ask any questions. Just make sure that the team member that you're addressing is a follower on the comments. Otherwise, we don't know that you sent it. So, you know, just type your message right there into the comments box and we should get it there. There should always be a description as to what we're asking you for here with any hyperlinks or anything else that's relevant to your actual task here. You'll be able to view all of your projects that are corresponding to you here with different progresses on everything that's going on. You can go to each and every project and view the tasks that we have for you within the project. You can also, and this part is pretty important, put in work requests very quickly, either from going here. You also have a quick plus sign here that you can actually go here and hit work request. Very easy to submit work requests. You just click on that there or anywhere. And then you would just name your work request, put the summary of what it is you want, requested due date. If there is a project that it's tied to, you would check here and then select the project that it's actually tied to. Otherwise, it may turn into a new project or it can transition into a task that's free of a project. If there's different lists to this, you would want to put together a list of everything that you're asking us to do and then submit the work order. Good thing about doing things this way, and anytime you need something done, it's better to actually put in a work request than to send an email or anything like that, because it allows us to actually transition these work requests into tasks or projects, and from there we can bill the time against the work request. Okay, you're also able to go in and view your invoices right under billing here. You'll notice that you'll have if you're on a retainer, you'll have a bigger payment, which isn't negative. And then these negatives are itemized charges against your retainer. So here you'll be able to see, hey, the credit is the retainer that you paid on whatever day it was. And then you'll have itemized charges based off of work requests that you've put in and time that's been put in against each of those tasks. Okay, so everything should be fairly streamlined. Just a quick overview: your dashboard has your live stream here, which shows you all the team members, everything that's been done. You have a quick way to get to your tasks here. If you want to view all your projects, you're just going to go here. You have the ability to go to work request here, or this little plus sign right here can help you really quickly in jumping to it. You are also able to view any type of files quickly by just going to files, but files are also uploaded into the corresponding task to keep things very organized and to the point. If you want to send us a quick message, you can also do so by hitting this plus sign here or the plus sign there at the top. See, that plus sign here allows you to send a message very quickly. And these are general messages. If you have a message about a task or a project, we do ask that you use the comment section within that task or project. Just makes it easier to keep everything in the same place. Let us know if you have any questions.